Hey guys, it's Kyle and I am here to show you how to wrap a gift. I'm basically the go-to wrapper for my friends and family, so I just want to show you a few tips that'll really help you. Step 1. Roll out your wrapping paper and place your box on top. Step 2. Flip the paper over the box to figure out how much paper you need and then cut a straight line up the paper. Step 3. Secure the paper to the box with a little tape and crease. Step 4. Fold the other side over the box. For a super clean edge, fold it over and then secure with another piece of tape. Step 5. If you have any, cut away the excess to prevent your ends from getting bulky. Step 6. A trick I like to do is fold from the top down, creating 2 triangles. Then fold the triangles on either side inward. Step 7. Then fold over the final flap and use one more piece of tape. Repeat on the other side. Lay your ribbon down and then place your wrapped gift face down. Bring the ribbon up, cross, twist, and flip. Tie a knot to secure and then make your bow. Fold each tail in half and cut at an angle to create a fancy edge. See guys, it's that easy. Happy gift giving.